If your idea of recovery is scrolling, zoning out, or just sitting on your phone, you're not actually recovering. You're just distracting yourself while your body stays in the same state. So instead of telling you to rest more, I'm going to show you how your body actually needs to shift and how to start doing that today. Welcome to the Longevity Path with Dr. Ava, where ancient wisdom meets modern regenerative medicine. I'm Ava, doctor of acupuncture and Chinese medicine. And today we're going to make recovery simple and very practical because most of you are trying. You're trying so hard, but you've never actually been taught how to. So after Sunday's conversation, you might recognize I'm not just tired, I'm overextended. But then the question becomes, okay, so how do I actually recover? And here's the issue. Recovery is not just stopping the activity. It's your body's ability to change state. So the primary barrier here is the body's inability to downregulate the nervous system. If your nervous system does not shift out of stress mode, you don't recover, no matter how much you rest. So even when you stop, your mind keeps going, your body stays slightly tense, your breath stays shallow. So you're not recovering, you're just pausing in the same exact state. So let's make this simple. Recovery equals state change, not time, not effort, state. And there are 3 ways we're going to talk about to start that immediately. You've probably heard them on other videos. So this is a good refresher. So the first solution, your breath is one of the fastest and cheapest ways to signal safety to your body. If your breath stays short and shallow, your nervous system stays activated. So we slow it down. Inhale for 4 seconds and exhale for 6. That longer exhale is what tells your body it's safe to come down. You're not forcing relaxation. You are giving your system the signals it's been missing. So solution number 2, remove input. Most people never actually give their nervous system a break from processing. Scrolling, TV, podcasts, it's all input. So even if your body is still, your brain is still working. Real recovery requires moments of no input, no distraction, no stimulation. Even just 3 to 5 minutes. That's where your nervous system finally has space to shift. So solution number 3, let the body drop. This is how you know it's working. Recovery feels like your body getting heavier. You might feel that in acupuncture. Your shoulders softening, your jaw unclenching, your thoughts slowing down. It's subtle, but it's physical. If you don't feel that yet, that's not failure. That just means your body is out of practice. So here, acupuncture can be very helpful, especially if your system has been stuck in that activated state for so long. It really helps your body access that downregulated state more easily so that you can recognize it and start building it on your own naturally. But the goal is always the same. You learning how to shift your state, not relying on something else to do it for you. So to reframe this here, recovery is not something that happens when you stop doing something. It doesn't happen automatically when you stop. It's something your body has to be able to do. And if you haven't practiced it, it won't show up just because you took a break. So the goal this week isn't to rest more. It's to teach your body how to come down. So you don't need more time. You don't need a perfect routine, but you do need to stop calling distraction recovery and start creating real small shifts every day. So your weekly action steps, okay? A 5-minute state shift practice daily. Feet elevated or lying down. Inhale 4, exhale 6. Stay until you feel even a slight drop. And number 2, 1, no input reset daily. 3 to 5 minutes, no phone, no noise, no distraction. I hope you found this helpful. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. Do you know what real recovery feels like in your body? Let us know so that we can support you. Until next time, stay grounded, stay consistent, and build health that supports your life not just your symptoms.